up, guys? This is Lionel. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about how you can keep it cool on the go. I'm all about cool devices, cool things, especially when it comes down to tech. What I want to talk a little bit about basically are some very, very, very good tools that you could use on your iPhone or your iPad to keep you pretty much in the loop in regards to AI and data science. If you ever really wanted to learn basically the premise in regards to how large language models work in the area of AI, data science is pretty much where I started early on, just to get an idea in regards to what models are. So if you ever pretty much want to understand the whole premise in regards to how models are trained, the term large language models pretty much is like the foundation of every model for every platform that you use, whether it be ChatGPT, whether it be Gemini, whether it be Claude. Well, a good data science course that I took on Udemy is a course, let's see if I can find that, course called Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp. Very, very good course. The good thing about that course is it goes over Python, which Python is a very, very, very good language that you could that you can use for a lot of different purposes. But in the area of data science, it's one of the more popular languages out there. It has some very, very good content in regards to showing you the basics of Python, which is good, which gives you a good intro. And that's one of the reasons why Python is not going anywhere. Python is good. It's pretty much here to stay. And some good tools on your iPad. The tools that I use, which are very, very, very cool. I call it pretty much my AI stack on my iPad. There's one application called Juno. Basically, it's when you take the course, they're gonna look at Jupyter for notebooks is primarily the tool that you use for data science, but Juno is more just like an iOS version of Jupyter notebooks that you can use on the go. Very, very, very cool app. And you have Pythonista 3. For the Python part of the course, Pythonista is a very, very, very good iOS app whenever you're doing the Python part. But the good thing is, though, is that the app Juno basically has the capabilities of doing Python coding as well, the same as Pythonista. So really, if you want to choose between, if you want a hybrid app to do the Python part as well as the Jupyter notebook part of it, then Juno really is the only app that you need. And the thing is that two other companion apps that I also use in that stack is going to be Latent Chat and also Gemini. Gemini is more just like ChatGPT. But primarily as you're taking the course and there's certain things that he's speaking of that you don't understand, what you could do is that you can always pull up Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever you feel, to get a more clear understanding of it. Latent Chat is an app that I talked about in a previous video, which is pretty much how you could use, basically you can create your own personal assistant. And that goes into other videos when I talked about virtual agents. So Latent Chat is really the only application where you can pretty much create your own virtual agent, or use as a virtual assistant, and you can actually primarily add in your own custom models. And basically, this stack here is real cool because primarily you can pretty much keep yourself educated with on-the-go tools. That's what I like about it. You don't have to worry about sitting down at a desktop like what you see here. When I really want to get serious, whenever I have the time, of course, I'll be here on my desktops, on my Macs, whatever. But the thing is that whenever I'm traveling and whenever I'm on the go, I want to pretty much like stay focused in regards to just stay smart by using portable devices. And the thing is that the iPad is so pretty. And they have wonderful apps to pretty much keep you educated on the go. And so that's one of the reasons why I kind of wanted to put this video together, just to give you an idea. The thing is that in the area of AI, it's so big now, it's emerging, And the good thing is that what I spoke of is that it will this will give you a pretty good foundation in regards to how to speak it. Basically, from speaking from a standpoint of where models, the whole concept of models came from. This course that I was speaking of basically gives you, it teaches you basically how to train models. It also goes over the algorithms behind the algorithms that they use in order to train those large language models that you interact with, like ChatGPT and Gemini. But like I say, that's just my little tidbits, my little cool things I want to talk about on this video. And like I say, if you like this video, like and subscribe.